Yeah, this is not your regular puff puff. It is strawberry puff puff. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made this yummy, soft and delicious puff puff with strawberry yogurt. No yeast added, just with strawberry yogurt and two other ingredients. So let's get started. And here are the ingredients I'll be using for the puff puff. So here I have 2 cups of strawberry yogurt. I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Making this puff puff is not going to take time because it has no yeast in it. So we go ahead now, add our all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. Then add the sugar and the baking powder and mix them together. A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. For more flavor, I'm adding nutmeg, but this is not compulsory, it is optional. You already have the strawberry taste in it. That's if you're using strawberry yogurt. And also a pinch of salt. These are optional. It's not necessarily important. You can also add any other flavor of choice or any flavor that you prefer. Then mix it before we go in with our yogurt. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth and every melody flows through. I will add and mix the yogurt gradually. I'm using 2 cups of yogurt, but you can use just 1 cup. There's a story behind using this strawberry yogurt. We bought it to drink, but somehow we didn't like it much. So now came the idea we cannot waste it, so we have to use it to make this puff puff. And that was a very good decision because the puff puff came out yummy and colorful. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like... The yogurt alone is not enough to mix it, so I added 1 cup of water. Just use the water to rinse the yogurt cup. Spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. Each corner dish, each key a spice, cause your kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wood. And here is the consistency we have. This consistency is perfect. So in all, I used 2 cups of drinking yogurt and 1 cup of water. So we go ahead now to fry. I told you this is not going to take time because there's no yeast in it. So all we're going to do now is to heat up some oil and fry. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound. Whispering. I like to use a skewer or stick to check if the oil is hot enough. Once it bubbles, know that the oil is hot enough and ready to take the fries. I just dip my hand in water and then start putting the dough into the oil, hot oil. But it doesn't have to be on high heat. Once it is very hot like this, reduce your heat so that the buns or puff puff or whatever you're frying will not get burnt or cook quickly on the outside while it is still raw or not cooked in the inside.
Flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Then flip them over on the other side after frying for some minutes so that they can fry on both sides, and you will continue to do this until they get golden brown.
Stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
It is time to take them out from the oil.
Whispering flavor.
Look at how beautiful and yummy they look already.
Floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
Then repeat the process of frying until you're done frying all the puff puff batter.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering stew, warmth in every melody flows through, rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
This one is the bottom pot. No waste, we are not wasting anyone. That's the part you scrape the plate or the bowl and fry. Yeah, treasures, here we have our puff puff, our strawberry yogurt puff puff. This puff puff tasted so delicious. It was soft in the inside and crunchy on the outside, just like the normal puff puff we use yeast, but no yeast in this one. I hope you'll be giving this a try. If you have any leftover yogurt in your house, just try it. Try and make this yogurt puff puff. You will love it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.